Greetings. Thanks for joining me for this presentation titled The Best Way to Invest Money. We're living in times of economic uncertainty and stock market volatility. No doubt these conditions have caused many investors to take their money out of the stock market until they gain more confidence in how to invest. I'd like to draw your attention to two articles. The first article was written on August 21st of 2010 by Graham Boley, a reporter for the New York Times. In that article titled, "In Striking Shift, Small Investors Flee Stock Market," Mr. Boley wrote that renewed economic uncertainty is testing America's generation-long love affair with the stock market. Investors withdrew a staggering $33.12 billion from domestic market mutual funds in the first 7 months of this year. Now many are choosing investments they deem safer, like bonds. The second article was written on August 26th of 2010 by John Molloy, the executive producer of Fast Money. In that article, Mr. Molloy wrote that the number of individuals who have a bullish outlook on the stock market for the next 6 months plunged to 21% from 30% last week. Mr. Molloy went on to say that this is the lowest weekly reading from a March 2009 level of 19%, which occurred just before the S&P 500 collapsed to a 12-year low of 676. Both articles are representative of the fear that many investors exhibit today. I'm not blaming anybody for the fear that they experience. It's a normal human response to the uncertainty we see in our economy today. However, fear is often the precursor to a positive trend change in the stock market. At a 2010 financial conference, Frank Holmes, the CEO and CIO at U.S. Global Investors, said that fear is often an important indicator of financial potential. The greater the fear, the greater the potential. John Molloy's article is particularly noteworthy as he pointed out that the number of individual investors who had a bullish outlook on the stock market for the next 6 months plunged to 21%, and this was the lowest weekly reading from a March 2009 level of 19%, which occurred just before the S&P 500 collapsed to a 12-year low of 676. What Mr. Molloy didn't say is that in late March and early April of 2009, the S&P 500 turned upward and rose 80%. Any investors that pulled out of the market prior to April of 2009 likely missed out on this major rebound, a time when over 1,000 stocks more than doubled, and many investors reaped the benefits financially. Could it be that Mr. Molloy's article may be an indicator that a stock market turnaround may be coming soon? There are many individuals that need a positive inflow of cash to meet the increased cost of living. But what is the best way to invest money? There is no one way that is best for everyone. Each individual investor has to make that decision for themselves. On my website, www.tradertrainingschool.com, you'll find a link titled Types of Investments. If you click on that link, you'll be taken to a PowerPoint presentation that identifies 15 different ways of investing money, and it explains each way. From my perspective, the best way to invest money is in the stock market. However, there are at least 7 different ways to invest in the stock market. Again, each person needs to understand these different ways and to pick the right one for them. Finding the best way to invest money is an important first step, but anybody that is actually going to invest money needs to get trained before they put any money at risk. I have a recommendation for anybody that is serious about learning to invest money. Each year, millions of people take family vacations to Walt Disney World in Kissimmee, Florida. In February of each year, the World Money Show holds its annual financial convention at the Gaylord Palms Hotel and Convention Center in Kissimmee. This is a convention that is open to the public and it's free. In 2011, this show will run from February 9th to the 12th. The show includes many exhibitors that offer products, services, and information pertaining to investing money. You'll find financial experts from around the world that will be participating in seminars and panel discussions on a wide variety of topics relating to investing money. People that have some training and or experience investing money will benefit most from this show. To remedy that situation, I encourage investors to bring along family members and or friends. Make this a family vacation. For those friends and family members that are beginners or novices with little or no investing training or experience, I highly encourage them to take this opportunity to receive some basic training that teaches students the best way to invest money. Trader Training Schools will be offering 2 beginner training classes in Kissimmee. One will be 3 mornings, February 7th, 8th, and 9th, and the second course will be taught the mornings of February 14th, 15th, and 16th. Invest in yourself and your family so that you and they can effectively invest money for themselves. Give your family a vacation they'll never forget. First, get trained on the best ways to invest money. Second, attend the World Money Show. And thirdly, enjoy Disney World and other Orlando attractions during your stay. Rent a vacation home with a private heated swimming pool located in the most desirable vacation home communities near Walt Disney World. I've been renting vacation homes there for the past 5 years. These are well-kept and well-equipped vacation homes with private heated swimming pools, and they're very affordable for a family vacation with easy access to Disney properties. For more information on training opportunities and affordable family housing in the Disney World area, go to www.tradertrainingschool.com/Florida/again. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.